Although my pricing for web design is always custom, my residual pricing is always presented in packages. I present it in packages simply because it helps me close the sale. Let me clarify, at this point I'm talking about hosting and maintenance packages, not SEO or other internet marketing packages. You see, every time I sell a new website, it always needs a hosting and maintenance package. This is not an option with my customers. I never build a website unless I am hosting and maintaining it. So how does this help me close the sale? After I've showed the potential client the cost involved with building their website, I explain to them that it has to be hosted and maintained. A website is similar to a brick and mortar location in that it has to reside somewhere and be maintained. It has to sit on a server, and that server space has to be paid for. Someone has to maintain the website to make sure everything stays up to date. So I usually give them two options. Either I can host and fully maintain it, or I can host and minimally maintain it. For the minimally maintained website, I call it self-maintenance rather than minimal, so that the client knows they will be responsible for most of the maintenance. Full maintenance means that whenever they need their website updated with new images, text, or pages, they simply send me the information and I handle it. And I usually offer this program with up to 2 hours of maintenance per month if needed. That doesn't necessarily mean that the client uses 2 hours of every month, but it is a worry-free process, leaving the client more time to worry about their business and not their website. The self-maintenance program, on the other hand, means that I host it on top-of-the-line fast servers and make sure that the security and the plugins are updated every month. But they're responsible for adding any text or images if needed. If they select this option and decide later that they need me to make changes, then they'll have to pay my full hourly price. Once I explain this to the client and I offer them the choice between the two packages, they almost always select the full maintenance package because they don't want to have to worry about updating the site themselves. From my past experience, 9 out of 10 customers always choose the full maintenance package. Now, the reason this works so well for helping me close the sale is that I've taken focus off of the larger setup fee that I just quoted them for their website, and now the focus is more on the hosting and maintenance package. And a $65 hosting and maintenance package is a lot less than a $2,000 website. So it takes the focus from the large amount to the smaller amount. And it also gives them a choice between something and something rather than something and nothing. In other words, since I'm quoting them a custom price, if I show them a custom price of $2,000 and then I try to make the sale right there, then I'm giving them a choice between a $2,000 website and nothing. And that is a more difficult decision for a person to make. Whereas if I'm giving them a choice, let's say between a $65 per month package or a $25 per month package, now they're choosing between two things rather than something and nothing, and it's an easier choice for them to make. That's how offering packages for the hosting and maintenance helps close the sale. As far as pricing the packages, well, I've always had good luck at pricing the full maintenance package at $65 and the self-maintenance package at $35. However, I've had several clients with custom packages as well, which I offer as a third option sometimes. If the client I'm calling on is with a larger company, I may present them with a full maintenance package at $85 a month or $99 a month. It just depends on how much I feel will be involved in the monthly maintenance of the website. And also, what will the client be expecting to pay? Now, depending on your market, you'll need to set your prices at whatever you feel is the right amount for you. Whatever you feel is going to make you competitive in your market.